And them people we are do all them something. I say, oh, we young, we just live our life. Remember, say everything we are do when you're young, and like so when you reach 25 now, when you reach 20 or when you reach whatever age, you decide, say, okay, me decide to be professional. And like see, I can delete all of them something there. All of them things. Remember, say, when you're young, only for a while, you know. You're only young for a while.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
You know, so that platform you stand for something. We speak against immorality. We address the things them that needs to be addressed. Anything where we see our ear we are going when not right, we put it forward and we address it. You see, for instance, the other day me address the whole ensure saga with the schoolgirl that do some extremely distasteful things in a them uniform. Yeah, situations like them there we address. And anytime I hear or see other people where at burn out the same kind of things them like me like to spread the message a little bit further. Triple X are one of them person there. Triple X is a man where when him ready for address things, him address it and him not care who like him or who not like him. After him say what him have to say, him just say it and make him voice be heard. Now, right now, Triple X are burn a serious fire. Panda see him ensure sitting there, right? Him not burn out the artist, but him a burn out the whole act, right? But not that alone, Triple X also address the mother them. We not teach them pitney no morals. Because Triple X make it clear that, hey, somehow know where dress up the little young girl them in a short skirt and I make them dress up like big woman and put on makeup on the little pitney them and all them sitting there. You don't need to stop it. Because basically what Triple X say, yo, somehow know I fight so hard for be uno pitney friend that uno forget for be a parent. The man also burn out the one them where bore a little boy pitney them 2 years and you know what family? Take a listen to the fire where Triple X are born.
I remember when them time my granny did go on so bad when my cousin them in with us a show like a shoulder skin. Not even say no cleavage, you know, just like a shoulder. And my granny go and bad and a cuss them and say if them a lady of the night. You see me? You understand what I say? Go on so bad. And when I look on our situation stay now, when I see all baby, I see them and I make all titty blows for lady, for baby and body ride and them sitting there. And boy shots for baby and them sitting there in all pampers said you like me I say, yo, boy, me don't know still, you know. Me don't know, call me old fashioned, but me honestly believe say, like certain things, we can revert back to some of them. I mean, I say, if we go completely back to olden days, you know, and completely back to, but I believe, say, you see children, and now say nothing wrong, car, I joke me, you hear me tell my sister, say, oh, her ear too long, and the color in her ear, I joke me, I just saw me run joke with her, and them things. I not talk about, say, oh, she can't put in colored bird and them something, because, yeah, you don't know, she a teenager, and she want to look good and them thing there. You understand me, I say? But I honestly believe, say, certain things, I think that we shouldn't try to hyper-expose or overexpose children to certain things at a tender age. I believe that children should be grown as children. Especially like if now you have your daughter, I believe you should like dress up it modestly. Nothing wrong with clip and bubbles. When I see them all cream out the baby them ear from them at 7, 8, 9. I don't believe in them something. I believe say pitney ear for cream when them reach high school. Not even first farm, not like second farm, third farm, after them season in high school and start get a certain level of maturity. I think that is something where the prepubescent child supposed to embark on, like that's supposed to be a stepping stone to go into puberty. Like them thing there. Me feel like they're supposed to have bubbles and clip on them something. Like them hairstyle stop going. No, everybody are flinging bread and ear on them something in the little pit in them ear. And I feel like them something are forced to pit them to feel like them a bigger man before time. I believe that children are supposed to be left to feel as children. You understand me I say? They say pitney for do pitney things. That's how me believe. Me feel like say big people things are big people things and pitney things are big pitney things. Same way I call boy pitney too. Me see them all give all the boy pitney them, liquor boy them all beer for drink and all them something. I don't believe it's supposed to them something. You understand? Give them liquor for drink and all them things. Me don't believe that them something. Zine, you have your liquor boy pitney and the liquor boy pitney them look just like the big man them. Me not believe in them something. Me believe pitney for wear pitney things, pitney for dress like pitney, pitney for look like pitney. You're not supposed to have a pitney and your pitney underpants and show and all them something. Me not believe in them something. Me not believe say boy, me personally, me not nobody feel like say me I disrespect them or on take this in the wrong way, but this is just my personal opinion. I don't believe that boy pitney is so bore. Me believe say you're supposed to allow the boy pitney For grow when him turn big man or him turn adult now as an adult, him choose whether or not him want to bore him know him ear, him ears, bore him ears, or get tattoo on him something. Me some little pitney baby, who not bore the baby boy them ears. Like, come on man, that's why we have to differentiate. And I don't believe what this is what everybody want to say, oh, it's a modern time now, and oh, sex is just a spectrum, and nobody's truly born a girl or truly born a boy. That is bullshit. Boy a boy and girl a girl. There are certain things that are supposed to be left for girls, and there are certain things that are supposed to be left for boys. Girl for wear skirt and dress and them something there. Boy for wear pants and shorts and them something there. As boy pitney. That's some me believe. You understand me I say? Zin, certain type of tights and them something. Me no believe say pitney. Baby not supposed to wear certain. Like all them tights where you squeeze up a little girl them pum pum and them sitting there. No. If you wear a little leggings different from tights. You understand? Girl people not supposed to wear no tights so you squeeze up them body and show them. I don't believe it because it's the world that we live in right now that is so hypersexualized and with so many deviants out there. With me feel like you advertise your pitney to the pedophile them and the predator them out there. That's how me feel. I know some people are gonna say, oh, so because predator out there, I don't dress my pitney like that. Yes. Yes. Your duty as a parent is to protect your child. That is your duty as a parent, to protect your pitney, to ensure so your pitney is safe from harm. That is why you are a parent. You understand? I'm not saying that you're supposed to put your pitney at a disadvantage, you know, but it is protecting your child. Not because every other pitney out there, you see every other little girl out there in a gar road in a bath suit top and batty rider shorts with it cut up with the whole of them batty out the door and the whole of them belly and them pelvis are showing them something. That no, if that is you putting your child at a disadvantage by preventing your child from wearing that, your child is supposed to be at that disadvantage. Remember, you are raising a pitney. If your pitney are gonna feel less than because him not your pitney not a walk up and down out there like them a big man. You understand? Because them they are big man style. Them they are not for pitney. Them they are for big man style. You understand? You're supposed to can look for your pitney. I see all them people, all the little pitney them in a makeup on them something there. That is bullshit, man. You pitney them birthday come and force them to put on makeup and full makeup when put the pitney them in. Come on, man. Come on, man. That is bullshit, man. That is bullshit. When you carry the pitney them go, little pitney them and do them nails. Have a nail polish on them something there. No. Me no believe in them something there. Me personally no believe. You can cuss me and say me chat too much and me old fashioned or whatever. But I honestly believe say these things are things that children should aspire to and things that should signal say okay, you are transitioning into adulthood now. If you and your pitney are going to do the same thing straight up, what is there for the child to differentiate in the child's mind? Zin? What is there to differentiate in the child's mind? Say, okay, that is mommy, and mommy is an adult, and this is me, I am the child. What is there to this to differentiate between child and adult? If everything that the child does, that the adult does, the child is allowed to do. If everything what the child wear, the adult is allowed to wear. You have to learn say certain things. You have to know, so you differentiate them something. Yeah? There has to be distinguishing features between adults and behaviors between adults and children. That is why no phone can't chat to no pitney them. No phone as adult on the pitney don't have no respect for uno. Because uno make the pitney them feel like say uno and them are the same exact thing. Uno make some of uno will have pitney. It's like uno not ready. Uno never did ready for have. Uno never mature enough and ready to say, alright, I'm gonna be a parent now. Some uno have the pitney them and because uno and uno mother couldn't agree or uno and uno father couldn't agree, uno are forced and a fight for be uno pitney best friend. Una force and a fight for be on pick the best friend, and because you don't want to be on pick the best friend, you can't tell on pick the no. You cannot tell on pick the no. You cannot set any boundaries because una try harder for be on pick them best friend than on pick them parent. And that don't make no sense. It makes no sense. If you have a child, you have to have a distinguishing barriers for know say, alright, you're the child and I'm the parent. I'm not saying that you can't have a respect for your child and have a mutual understanding with your child. Your child knows say, alright, mommy respect me, daddy respect me, and I can speak to daddy about any and everything and all them something. You and the child don't have to be best friend, you don't have to be girl. Hey, come here bitch, hey girl, come here. You don't have to do that. You have to respect. You show the respect, the same respect where you show your child should be able to reciprocate that respect. If you don't have no respect respect for yourself as a parent, or you expect the child to respect you as a parent? If you are going to try to fight for, oh, yes, good as, come here, good girl, Ray, oh, this look, take a picture for me so I can send, go give me man. All them something, I see them thing, I'm all the while, where una as girl pitney, una as so-called mothers, una as mothers, Zin, have the pitney them, and after una have the pitney them, una have the pitney them, I take picture. Una put on the bath suit them and the lingerie them, and have una son. I take picture for una send go give man. Have una daughter, I take picture for una send go give man. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. Certain things you're not supposed to know. Certain things, when me and you are growing up, I'm not going to be disrespectful. I'm going to be mindful of this because I see it happen enough time and night time. I'm in a dance, I see it happen. I'm going to try to do it. I try to be as respectful. In them day age, you can't look at them look and say, look boy, come guy here. Hey, oh, guy here, the parents, you can't say them things because people are going to take it as disrespect and say, oh, you chat to my pitney anyway. No. When I go on road, I see some little pitney in a dance. I go on road, go play a street dance and in some more urbanized areas. I see them have the little pitney them in the party them. Where the dance are going and them thing, the middle night. Pitney in a party. Like, come on man, where your parents them there? Me no like it, that's something I hate for say and that's something I no encourage. And I see some people set some egg them on and say, oh, wine pan the big woman. And I see some video with some big woman a wine pan some little boy. Them something a pedophilia too, you know, because if it was a big man a wine pan him little girl yeah, on that ear say, oh, that man have dead and go to jail. Are the same friggin' thing. Because them something I wanna do to the little boy, them as scar them psychologically. Because a lot of these children are not ready for these things. And wanna go give them some warped sexual perceptions. You go set and traumatize the pitney and give the pitney some misinterpretation or the ramifications from these things are gonna be devastating to them psyche. You have to traumatize the pitney. Some want to traumatize them pitney where the pitney them feel like say they are so traumatized at the thought of interacting with women that them end up become homosexuals. Me I tell you, I don't want to feel like, oh no man, we wine for the boy, them call girl them for wine for them have to know from early. No, these traumas end up of them for regress and to seek solace in the arms of other men. Me I tell you them something. Una have to pre them thing, una can't just look on it from one side and say, oh, a boy pit them, this whole phenomenon, oh, boy pit them for one, like, me not like it, I mean, hate them something when me and them all talk about a little pit them have girlfriend and boyfriend, I'll pit them my age, my son age, 6-7-year-old them talk about have girlfriend and boyfriend. No. When my son come tell me, say, oh, him like that girl and I'm girlfriend and him thing, I say, no, it's your friend. She's a little friend and him, so you know, not a girlfriend, papa. Because I watch you think them point. You watch you think them on YouTube and them hyper expose them thing, little thing them, if the things them say a kids channel, them talk about girlfriend and baby and one bag of foolishness and kiss and them thing there. So you have to really and truly put on the children black up on the TV, on the tablet and them something there, because things that you are not ready to expose your child to, they are being exposed to them. So you have to sit with your child even from a younger age than you even wanted to, because I never think say my child at 6-year-old would have to explain to my child what is the difference between girlfriend and kiss and where if it touch and not if it touch. I never think say would have to go explain that to my child at 6-year-old. But these are the conversations that I have to be having with my son. I see my baby mother feel sit down with my child and I say to him, say, well, you're not supposed. And then something there at 6-year-old, them thing it ridiculous. When me a 6-year-old, me never know nothing about them thing, none at all. Me never have a clue about them something there, none at all. And I think that these things that we are doing we are robbing the children of their childhood. We are robbing them of their innocence, robbing them. We are taking it from them totally. We're not giving our children nowadays the chance to develop the right way. First of all, them psychosocial development is way under par. Yes, them know everything and them exposed to everything, but mentally they are underdeveloped. Most of these children nowadays. Psychologically they are underdeveloped. They don't know how to interact with each other on an age appropriate basis. I not say I try to set some drawback everything from the back, but we as parents we honestly have to look upon what it is that we are doing for our children's tomorrow. how it is that we interact with our children on a day-to-day basis. How it is that we rear our children and bring them, and whatever it is that we expose them to is going to have a bearing on them in the future. So when we see what go on now with all them little girl here, because, alright, let me say something. You see, when we talk certain things, them say, oh, Triple X, yo, you're going like you're better than people, you're going like sorry. Me know for a fact, say, what my profession is and what it is. You make me set and me do some things that are risky, or some things that might be considered taboo. But I am an adult. And when I'm doing this in an adult space. And when I'm doing this, I'm supposed to be doing this for people who actually can differentiate between adult behavior from childlike behavior. So when me are doing an adult space, I can't look at what me do for you. Because this my content on my page is an adult page. You know, me make I say I'm not over TikTok pick me not really fast with the TikTok. So you know. This somebody on Instagram is an adult page. My page is an adult page for adult entertainment. If children watch me, I don't promote to children. If you see your child following me, please me I beg you, block me from your Pitney page. You understand? Block me from your Pitney page. If you see a Pitney, follow me. Because this is adult content I put out there. So me talk to be, yes, me talk positive things, but I talk positive things for adults, not for children. So what me I say is this. There's a song now. Song catchy and them thing there. Where I honestly don't believe say the person who sing this song here did have the intention for things to escalate how it go on right now. I know for a fact that the artist here never did intend for this escalate to the level here. The man does sing a song and him get a catchy phrase and me know for a fact say in him wildest dream him never expect say to the sex and exacerbate to where it reach right now, because wait there right now, oh my god, like even me myself if you look at me and say Bumbo, I never ever believe say Jamaican people that well me sure know better still now, because we as Jamaican people we're extra bad. Zine, we as Jamaican people we extra, but yo, if extra was a person, who would ever believe that a nutritional supplement for people who are diabetic, or people who are nutritionally incontinent, or people who are incapable of garnering the right amount of nutrition would have become a symbol for sexual exploits? Who would have believed that? You understand? Who would have believed that a nutritional supplement would have become sexualized? Who would have believed that? Like really and truly. Who would have believed say something like that would happen? Like me I think about it and I say, this don't make no sense. Like honestly, like this really and truly don't make no sense. Oh, this end up reach to that. Like when me think about it, I look at my insurance. I say insurance used to buy give my grandfather. Because my grandfather did sick before him passed. R.I.P. Brother P. Him did sick before him passed. I remember me used to have to buy insurance. I used to go to town at wholesale and buy me half case of insurance to give my grandfather. I remember we used to have to fight my grandfather for drink them, because I never used to really too like them, but we used to have to fight him and pressure him for drink them. I have to say, Papa, you have to drink at least 24 of them for the week, and sometimes you have to pressure, because for us to get him new, because I never eat as much as I'm supposed to eat, and them something. And when I look at something, used to pressure my grandfather for drink. End up become a sexualized object, or an artifact used in foreplay, or in carnal pleasures, or a fallacial enhancer. When I cannot believe, I honestly cannot believe. Like, and that doesn't show you the state of the economy, where anything that is expensive or above average priced is seen as something of opulence, or something where you can brag and show off with. See? Me just a prayer. Because I can't see myself a drink of insurance now, you know. After the thought, the psychological trauma where them put me through, Father God do don't make me reach in a situation when I have to drink insurance. I can't see myself a drink insurance right now. You understand? I can't see myself a drink insurance right now, because the visualization of what I see and the videos of me see keep on coming out of them people that video themselves. Like, and that may I tell you, say, you see when you grow, you pick them certain way. When you grow up in them certain way, you hyper expose them to certain things. The pit them not develop no morals. The pit them is that them not have nothing for pause them and say, hold on, wait a minute. Can remember say none of them are perfect, you know. None of them are perfect, you know. All I gotta do things where I gotta go against social hues or social cues. All of we are gonna have a fault with shortcomings. But my God, man. My God, man. My God, man. This shit disgusting, man. It cranny, man. It cranny. And everybody is just the way society set now, everybody does well want the hype. Everybody does want to be a part of the hype. Nobody no business where it costs them. Socially, reputationally, nobody gives a shit what it costs them. Nobody now try to say, okay, yo, you know, something really and truly never did for do this. I'm gonna need for do this. Or this is not something I'm supposed to do. Nobody now look upon it as such. Everybody look upon it as, oh, yeah, man. This act, and if we do this, we're gonna get them views and we're gonna get them likes. Everybody does that, and then everybody is just congruent. Everybody is just running in line. Everybody does run in sync to the same thing. When you not see it, yeah, man, cloud chasing. When you see the things them answer the people them do it, all your friend. There is alright. Me see some video of some girl in some party, and them friend. I watch selector, I watch man in a dance, I ensure in your friend face, throw it in their mouth, I rub it on your friend and I dash ensure upon your friend, and your friend does a long out her tongue, and you will say you're the girl's so-called friend. You say you're the girl friend, you know. And then you're gonna say, yeah girl, yeah blow, watch my friend, yeah girl, get your bad. Whoa, yeah girl, watch me girl, yes me girl. And you encourage that type of behavior there for your friend. You encourage them. That's why I tell you, say, I see that work. I do a live what I'm telling you, say, you see, friend. And I like one time, you know, them nowadays stay on quick for call people and a friend and bullshit, you know. Them something on the jump up and say, oh, I'm a friend, that I'm a brother, I'm a sister, and them thing. Bullshit, you know. Bullshit that, you know. Because if you and me go out, and you are my friend, and me see you do that, or me see even a chance of you lead toward that, them have got cuss me and say, oh, me a cat black, or me a pussy, or whatever, you know. Because me a hole in your shut, and me a dry, and say, hey, girl, nobody fuck, nobody with this, you know. Because you not only embarrass yourself, you embarrass me, because me and you come here, me and your friend. Me not depend that with you. Me not depend that with you, and me and your par, me not depend that with you. You cannot make somebody a dash bombard, ensure in your face, and rub it up in your face like you idiot. Me not depend that with you. When me turn up one side and see a total stranger do it, and me say, Jesus Christ, you cranny, or oi, or laugh a little bit. Me and your friend, if me even know you. If you are even my virgin daughter, I am my virgin sister, I know you're part of my virgin them, me a come and me a dry out of the video light and say, girl, no do this. Because all of them something you want to put on the internet, all of them something you want to do in a public, them have consequences and repercussions. Everything what you do, where you feel like nobody now gonna find out it, I go do it forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever, amen. You might not have no pitney yet, but when you do have children, how are you going to explain this to your children when them something resurface? How are you going to explain? Remember this, you know, Kim Kardashian, our entire fame, our families, our entire families, entire fame for our sister them for be billionaire and them how much multi-millionaire, our entire claim to fame is her having sex on camera, a sex tape which she's sucking penis and a man having sex with her. That is her claim to fame, is her sex tape. Give her all everything what she have right now. Is her sex tape, give her that. But yet still, all of this happened before she had any kids. And what more there? Or pitney them, I play a game, Roblox, I play Roblox, one game I'm used to, but my son did have on him tablet and I have to take off. Or pitney I play Roblox, and in the child's game, one advertisement come up for the mother sex tape. In our pitney game where I play, the game where I play, it come up back. Even though every little amenity where the pitney have all of the house, the pitney living in the car, the tie, the clothes, the food, everything where the pitney have was all made possible because of that same sex tape. That shit came up, and when the mother see that shit come up, the mother was so disgusted and she was so traumatized about it because of the things that she do in her past from before she have a pitney. See? So when me look for all of them something, you know. When me look for all of them something, you know, and them people we are do all them something, I say, oh, we young, we just live a life. Remember, say everything we are do when you're young, and like so when you reach 25 now, when you reach 20, or when you reach whatever age, you decide, say, okay, me decide to be professional. And like, see, I can delete all of them something there. All of them things. Remember, say, only young, only for a while, you know. You're only young for a while. And the fact of the matter and the harsh reality is that life is a double standard. Life is a double standard. A woman will have to understand this. Whether I don't like it or not, no matter how you fight for equality, it will never ever be equal. There is no such thing as equality when it comes to the sexes. Men are always going to be, people are always going to turn a blind eye to the indiscretions of men, and people are going to always over scrutinize the things that women do. No matter how you march, no matter how you call it slut shaming or whatever, it is going to always be there. And the figure part about it, nobody slut shames women like women. Nobody looks down on women who are sexually promiscuous than women. So uno as woman, uno always blame we and say, oh, we as man, we judge uno because uno have a bag of sexual partners or because uno do some things. But the fact of the matter is this: the person we are judging the most is women. So that will never ever change. Because a girl we sleep with 5 man, I go always look down at a girl we sleep with 7. Because she go say, oh, if you sleep with 7 man, you should have stopped at 5. Because that's how it's going to go. That's how it's always going to go, because women are territorial and they are competitive, extremely competitive. So when they don't jump up and talk about, oh, Lord, the girl, they make them live them life. Yes, Lord, they make them live them life, but they might destroy them life. They live where they might live them life right now, I destroy them life, because the future I go come back, sir. Somebody sent me a video today with a girl in a bathtub and a dildo stick on the bathroom wall. And somebody had throw the ensure upon her in the tub, and the girl a suck and a gag and a 1%. I mean, I like, that little girl, I can't guarantee that girl, yeah, not past 21. The girl, I say, me know for a fact that she not past 21. And I'm like, why are you doing this? Because you're not getting paid for this. You're not getting paid to do this. It's not like there's any monetary. You're doing this by your own free will. Why are you doing this? How is this providing any benefit for you? Just so that you can put it on social media and get some likes from some army people or some people who are morally bankrupt. Just because if you get some likes from them people and some views, and if you say, oh girl, you know, see a video, I trend it there over there, so everywhere me go see a video, girl. And for some people talk, and for some man say, yo dog, that girl is a bad girl, not a demon girl, you know. And after the man them say a bad girl, them sets and them come get some of your bad girl, and this and make you suck off them penis, you suck off about 4 or 5 of them friend penis and them use it and pass it around. You don't have no worth to them again. You're just a bitch there, a system girl there. Nobody, you're of no use to them again. Society right now, me not gonna tell a lie. Me know me sound like a hypocrite. I do this. Me know me sound like a hypocrite. I do this. But me just advise my opinion. Me no business how it come off to me. Me honest no business how it sound to you know. Me just advise my opinion. Who want to say Ray and me this and me that, and who want to comprehend, because this how sometimes I gotta tell you this. Sometimes I'm in a sense to pray the messenger, you know. Sometimes you have to pray the message. You have to pray the message. You can't look at me and say, okay, Tripple X, you have this indiscretion in your past, and you do this and you say that, and and you do this and you do that, and whatever. And you say, oh, you have to say this. Don't do that. Don't do that. Look for the message. Look for the message. Look upon the message. If you go road and see a madman, and the madman say, brother, no step over this, because if you step over this or shit, you go step in a shit. You go say, you done dirty, you are telling about shit for them step in the shit. No. You go look and say, oh, thank you, bro. Even though you're mad, me never want to step in the shit. You got a doctor, and the doctor tell you, say, listen to me, no, man. You're not supposed to smoke, you're not supposed to drink, you know, because you're going to catch liver disease and lung cancer. But you smell, the doctor smell a cigarette. You're going to say, this a doctor you don't know what the f*** I talk about, because, oh, he must smoke, so he must tell me, say, I'm enough to smoke, I'm enough to drink for. Not because the doctor smokes and drink. That doesn't mean he doesn't know better. He's addicted to what he's doing. He's addicted to nicotine. He's addicted to alcohol. But that doesn't mean him can't tell us something wrong already. No fun love look pan and say, oh, my mother can't tell me nothing because my mother was a bitch. She was the place. So why she can't tell me who when you did young, you never have boyfriend? Yes, she did have boyfriend, and yes, she did promiscuous, but because she got through that already, she know what it entails. With everything we are going, a man out there, we don't make the mistake them already. We don't see the consequences and repercussions of his action. If a man sits and a delve his and we can embark his knowledge upon you, if the man sits and share his wealth of knowledge that he has garnered over the year, Zin, to you, be receptive and be grateful to the person that chooses to share the knowledge with you. Instead of to start critique the person and say, but you did do that already, so allow me do my thing. No. Why you feel like you have to make the same mistake for learn? Why? Why you can't learn from other mistakes? You understand? Zin? Them say, wait again. Them say a learned man learns from his mistakes, but a wise man learns from the mistake of others. You understand me I say? Zin, you have to willing to learn. You have to willing to learn from other people's mistake. Zin, you have to willing to learn from other people's mistake. You can't just get up every day and just decide to, alright, boom, me no care. Anything happen, I'm just gonna take it. No, you can't do that. You have to live, you have to think foresight. Like now, what am I doing in my life right now? There are a lot of things that I've done in the past. There's a lot of things that I've said in the past that if I knew, I would have done them differently. Especially when it comes to like my education. There's a lot of things that I've done, like when mistakes I look back from even high school. Things that I do from high school days. The subject that I choose, all them something. If I could have go back and do over all them, so even though that changed me in a total different person, there's a lot of things that we wish that we could have go back and change. And the reason why we do it is because we see now that, and them say hindsight is 2020. When you look back on where you do, if you always can see it clear, you can see the mistake, you can see everywhere you go wrong and all them something. So if me can look back on what me used to do and say, alright, boom, me did wrong for do that or whatever, and me I tell you, say, brother, you're dep on the same part of me, dep on, you know, and me know say it go right, they say, you know. You're supposed to can look on me and say, alright, boom, you respect Tripple. Nowadays, one time, I saw me used to stay to me, now I'm going to tell you, like, me used to hard-headed. Nobody couldn't talk to me. From Virgin, them dep on this, them can tell you. Me used to so hard-headed. Nobody couldn't talk to me. In that same entertainment thing, I used to go around, I used to so confrontational. Anybody said unto me, me was the first person to turn up and show up my chest and say, if I debt, I debt, if I dirt, I dirt. No boy can't chat, boy can't give me no chat, because I feel like I have the biggest bucket of them in the world. And I feel like I could have do anything, and no boy could have style me, because I would have willing to defend it to the death. As some used to stay. And because of that, I created a whole lot of unnecessary enemies. There's a lot of unnecessary enemies that are created over the years. Some of the relationships them will just build back where some simple misunderstanding where people that tell me, people that did it for go through it from before me look at me and say, Tripple, you don't need to do this that way, yeah. You don't need to go through it that way, yeah. So my baby mother I got today, she was one of the main person who used to always tell me say, calm down no babes, cool no, and I just did so hot tempered, me did so hard headed, me just never take a chat from nobody. You understand me I say? But you have to look back and say, alright, boom. Ray, me reach a point now, me can look and say, alright, them thing they make me can admit to myself, say me did wrong for do them something. And me can look forward and say, alright, boom. Even though this are the faster way for the things. Even though this are the quicker way, even though this are the easier way, let us not choose the easy way out. Let us work for what it is. Let us invest in what it is that we are doing right now.
Even though I know someone still going in the comment section and disagree with some of the things that Triple X say, people will have a little bit of morals and know how to comprehend and go understand exactly what the man are talk about. Watch you know, if you don't agree with Triple X, talk to me in the comment section, let me know. And the one them will disagree, tell me why in the comment section. Alright, me done with this for now. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, what you wait upon, click the subscribe button, man, and make sure you turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.